What it do? It's a GOPUFF day. It's your man, Young Tesla. And if you would, first of all, like the video, subscribe to the page if you're new. I appreciate you doing that. What we doing every day is GOPUFFing. We dropping off orders. I got plenty of GOPUFFs with me right now. They just loaded me up with like 5 orders. And I'm here from, I got here at 10. I started my video late. I just dropped 2 off. I'm here from 10 to 3. So I got a few more hours to do. It'll be after lunchtime by the time I finish dropping all 5 of these off. But yeah, we got a good 5 of them right now. Trading stocks, seeing what's going on. But you know, I ain't texting and driving. It is what it is. Let's get some of these dropped off. I'll get back at you in a minute. Alright, we back. About to pull back up at the GOPUFF Center. They done ate up all my commission with them 7 orders I done dropped off already today. So that's $21 in commission off top that they gonna minus from the little bit of money I was already about to get. He said they had mad orders in here when I first left a second ago, well, about an hour ago. So now, they say, Ben, please just be 1, 2 of them. 2 bins. We done after this, man. I'm done. Pick these 2 up, get up out of here. Let's do it. Tesla. Tesla Roadster.